Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guy. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to show your hidden applications once again on your main screen. So, very quickly, go to Settings. From here, use the Find option and search for apps. Once you've searched for apps, scroll down here. Upon scrolling down, you will find here at almost at the middle part of this of the application area, you'll find here show hidden apps. So just tap on that and then toggle it on, and automatically all of your hidden applications will appear on your home screen. And that's it. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and of course the subscribe button, and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.